This whole section, we've been talking about arrays and dictionaries, and in all of the examples, we've been assigning these dictionaries and arrays into variables. And with variables, you can change the size, add or remove items, edit them at free will, and it's not a problem at all. But let's talk about when you are using constant with arrays and dictionaries. So first, let's go into arrays. So if we have an array here called dog names and it's a constant, when we create it, it's these three values. And from here on, we can no longer add anything to it. So if we try to do a plus equals here and add a new name, like Parker, we're going to get an error from the compiler. The one thing that you can do is access any of the variables. So if you wanted to get out the 0th item, we can see that it's Ralph. And you can also change items. So if we want to change Ralph to a different name, let's say we want to make it Parker, we can do that. And if I put dog names here, you can see on the right that Ralph has been changed to Parker. So with using arrays as constants, you can change the items in the array, but you cannot change the size of the array. Okay, now let's talk about dictionaries. So with dictionaries, once you create a dictionary, you are pretty much set. You cannot change any of the values. You cannot add or subtract from the dictionary. Dictionary is pretty much set in place. So if we try to do dog ages and we want to add an extra one on there, all right, we'll say Ralph. Oh, we already did Ralph. Let's do Parker and give him an age of 20. We're going to have a problem because this is a constant and it's not mutable. Mutable means that you can change it later. So remember, with arrays and dictionaries, you can't change the sizes, you can't delete things. The only exception to this is in arrays, you can change existing values in a constant.